Thomas here with Much Props. Going to give you another how-to video. This time we're going to do something a lot different than we normally do. I'm not building a prop. I realize what my name is. Doesn't mean that. It's like, you know, good job. Way to go. Whatever. I bought some wood veneers on Amazon because I was inspired by a video that David Picciuto made off of Make Something. It's a YouTube channel. If you've never seen it, you definitely need to go watch it. But on there, he took foam board and put wood veneer over it and made a little box. And I thought, it's a cool idea. Why not make something similar to that? So I went to the hobby store and bought a cheap little pre-made box. It's not necessarily foam board, but it is like a particle board or something along those lines. And I thought, why not put a veneer over the top of it and make it look a little better? So we are going to make a jewelry box for my BFF, my wife. Oh, yeah, she's awesome. So why not build something for her? Let's get to building. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, I think it turned out pretty good. My wife thought it was pretty awesome, so that immediately made it awesome for me. It was a simple little box that I found at the craft store. I think I spent $9 on it. It's made out of like MDF, and then there may even be a veneer over the top of it. I don't think this is actual wood. It might be. But I simply put that on there to make it a little unique, to make it something personal. I did add the fail in my video simply so you could see that my plans don't always go the way that I anticipate them to. It's okay to try something new and make mistakes. You just kind of have to have a backup and go with it. So instead of go through more material, I simply scrapped the first idea and came up with a second. And I think it looks pretty cool. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your wife with your crafty building skills, so much so that you get a little extra sugar. Extra sugar? Not that kind. That's just dumb. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I did make a ring out of wood too. If you want me to show you how I made this, you can leave a comment. That way, I don't know. I guess I gotta hit you, so here you go.